Ladies and gentlemen, today I will walk you through the best and worst snack choices at 7-Eleven, category by category. I will clearly tell you what to eat this and what to not that. Fruits and fresh produce. Go for fresh bananas, apples, or the mixed fruit cups containing strawberries, grapes, pineapple, honeydew, or cantaloupe. These options are naturally sweet, rich in fiber, vitamins, especially vitamin C and potassium. They provide clean energy, hydration, and essential nutrients without added sugars. Avoid fruit-flavored candies, sugary fruit snacks, or processed fruit pies. These are loaded with added sugars, artificial flavors, and empty calories that cause energy crashes and offer little nutritional value. Yogurt and eggs. Choose Greek yogurt or hard-boiled eggs. Greek yogurt delivers probiotics, high protein, and calcium, while hard-boiled eggs are an excellent source of complete protein, vitamins, and minerals, all in a low-calorie, satisfying package. Skip regular sweetened yogurts or flavored yogurt drinks with high sugar content. Also avoid skipping protein entirely and grabbing a donut or pastry instead. These provide little protein and too much refined sugar. Nuts and seeds. Select single-serve packs of almonds, peanuts, pistachios, or 7 Select tube nuts. These offer healthy fats, protein, fiber, and important minerals like magnesium and vitamin E. A small portion keeps you full and supports heart health. Do not choose candied nuts, honey-roasted varieties with added sugars, or heavily salted mixes. Also avoid replacing nuts with chips or cheese puffs, which are high in unhealthy fats, sodium, and refined carbohydrates. Dried fruit and trail mix. Choose unsweetened dried fruit or better for you trail mixes with nuts, seeds, and a small amount of dried fruit. These provide natural sweetness, fiber, and healthy fats in a convenient pack, great for long-lasting energy on the go. Do not pick heavily sweetened dried fruits, yogurt-covered raisins, or candy-filled trail mixes. These are basically disguised desserts loaded with added sugars and extra calories. Protein bars. Pick high-quality options like RX Bar or Quest protein bars. Look for bars with 10-20 grams of protein, minimal added sugar, and simple ingredients such as nuts, dates, or egg whites. They are perfect for sustained energy and muscle support. Stay away from regular candy bars or low-protein snack bars disguised as healthy. These are often high in sugar and processed ingredients with little actual nutritional benefit. Jerky and cheese. Opt for low-sugar beef jerky or string cheese. Beef jerky provides lean protein and satisfying flavor, while string cheese offers convenient protein and calcium. Both are excellent portable sources of nutrition. Avoid high-sodium or heavily processed meat snacks and fried cheese sticks. Also steer clear of pairing these with sugary sodas instead of water or unsweetened drinks. Sandwiches and salads. Choose chicken salad sandwiches on wheat bread, egg or tuna salad options, or fresh salads. These provide lean protein, vegetables, and fiber for a more complete mini meal that keeps you satisfied longer. Do not go for hot dogs, taquitos, burritos, or fried sandwiches. These are typically high in calories, unhealthy fats, sodium, and refined carbs with minimal vegetables or quality protein. Thank you for your attention. By following these Eat This Not That guidelines,